An XL UUV-class unmanned submarine, that is, an ultra-large underwater drone officially designed for seabed exploration and developed by Boeing for the U.S. Navy. This submarine can perform various missions in a fully autonomous mode, from reconnaissance to destroying enemy ships. The autonomous navigation range of this robot is 5,000 nautical miles. The device is capable of autonomous trips, the duration of which is measured in months. The device carries an inertial navigation system and depth sensors on board. The UAV's orientation accuracy is verified by GPS during ascent. The maximum diving depth is 3 kilometers, the maximum speed is 8 knots. The modular design allows for a variety of payloads.
Subscribe to the channel, it will be more interesting. Thank you in advance.
In particular, the Orca can carry a sonar, a light Mk torpedo 46, and if necessary, a heavy Mk 48 or even a set of anti-ship missiles. The volume of the useful compartment is 9 cubic meters. It can also carry a load outside the case. China presented the project of an unmanned autonomous warship in 2017. This is an attack ship for coastal defense and anti-submarine defense, which, however, can also participate in offensive operations. The D3000 project has the following characteristics. It is built according to the trimaran scheme. Its length is 30 meters, the cruising range is up to 450 nautical miles and the autonomy is up to 90 days. It is planned to equip it with a hybrid power plant, including running electric motors, which will be powered by diesel generators. D3000 will carry weapons on board. It provides launchers for torpedoes, missiles and reconnaissance drones, and 4 Type 730 guns are installed on the deck. The warship is completely autonomous. It itself corrects its course, avoiding collisions, and recognizes surface and underwater targets. The drone can operate both alone and as part of a group of similar ships. Surface Robot Albatros S. Aselsan presented the Albatros S surface robot at the IDF Military Technical Exhibition in Istanbul. This is a single-hull vessel 2 meters long and 2 meters wide. Its displacement is approximately 1,955 kilograms, including 250 kilograms of payload. Albatros S is powered by a diesel engine. It allows the robot to reach speeds of up to 40 knots and work for at least 10 hours. Aselsan says the Albatros S has a high degree of autonomy and can cooperate with other surface robots within the swarm. For example, share sensor data with them about objects on the way in order to correct the course and avoid collisions. According to Janes, the Albatros S is still under development and unarmed. There are no plans to arm it either. During the tests, the Albatros S drone successfully struck a ground target. As a weapon, the device will be able to use Javelin missile systems. Underwater autonomous vehicle equipped with an atomic charge up to 2 megatons. In fact, this is an atomic torpedo that can destroy an entire city or military base. Poseidon was presented to the general public in 2018 during the annual address of Russian President Vladimir Putin to the Federal Assembly. In particular, then the world learned that Russia has super powerful naval weapons. The Poseidon Strike Complex, as mentioned above, is equipped with an atomic charge with a capacity of up to 2 megatons, can autonomously overcome distances of up to 10,000 kilometers at depths significantly exceeding the maximum diving depths of modern submarines. But the uniqueness of this device is that its interception is impossible with modern marine systems and ammunition. That is, Poseidon is guaranteed to reach the goal.
Subscribe to the channel, it will be more interesting. Thank you in advance.
The vehicles are launched from the carrier ship, the Belgorod nuclear multifunctional submarine, which can carry up to 6 such vehicles in special compartments on board and launch them as torpedoes. However, other details on the Poseidon system are not reported. The device is classified.